Have you ever seen perfect meatballs like these? Have you? Have you? I know that some of you will finish munching these before you even start cooking with them. Hello guys, today I'll share how to make these yummy meatballs you can use to prepare a variety of delicious meals like this one. It's a change from the usual chunks of beef and chicken. Your loved ones will love it, especially your kids. I'll be making chicken balls and beef balls in this video. For the beef balls, I'll use these ingredients. Scent leaves, they just came out of the freezer, so still very crunchy. You can crush them up a bit more before using if you wish. I bought these ones from Nigeria, prepped and froze them, and they've been serving me very well. Beef flavored seasoning cubes, which I crushed earlier. Thyme, garlic powder, and black pepper. For the chicken meatballs, I'll be using parsley, chicken flavor seasoning cubes, which I crushed earlier too, thyme, garlic powder, white pepper, curry powder. To both of them, I'll be adding chopped onions. These are frozen chopped onions I bought from the shops. Very handy for this. You just want to quickly add chopped onions without chopping them yourself. Hey, 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 lazy gang. I add all the ingredients to the beef mince. And mix very well. Cover and put it in the fridge to marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can also make the meatballs straight away without leaving it to marinate for some time if you wish. That's the joy of using minced meat when cooking. It's easy to season them thoroughly. Do the same to the chicken mince. I'm going to make this one immediately, without waiting for it to marinate. So make some balls. Mold it loosely. You don't need to press too hard. This is so that the inside will be juicy after cooking them. You don't want these meatballs to be kakaraka like rock when done. Then place in an oven tray lined with a baking sheet. Look at them. They look like they're ready to eat, don't they? Have you liked this video yet? Like so you enjoy these meatballs with us. Bake in a preheated oven set at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 F. So after the 30 minutes to 1 hour waiting time for it to marinate, mold the beef balls. Again, loose molding. You don't want to press it too hard, trust me. And set in an oven tray. Again, bake in a preheated oven using the same temperature settings. That's the chicken one sizzling. This is after 10 minutes of putting it in the oven. After about half an hour, I turn them around. Same for the meatballs. After a total of 40 minutes, that's what the chicken balls look like. And the beef ones, you can deep fry these if you want, but if you have an oven, it's best to bake them in the oven because that's definitely a healthier way to prepare them. Look at all that oil that came out of the chicken balls. You don't want that. Plus the oil they will absorb from the frying oil. Wow. Check out the beef balls in all its glory and the chicken balls. If you know how heavenly my kitchen smells, eh? Oh my god. Most of the aroma is coming from the beef balls. It's the aroma of the scent leaves. Yeah, the power of scent leaves. Chayo. These meatballs store very well in the freezer, so I make a decent batch and store away. Yeah. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button. Have you? You can use them to prepare meatballs, stew, pasta recipes, especially spaghetti meatballs. My kids look forward to this meal, I tell you. Bye bye. See you soon.